Welcome to Vroom Vibes. When the engine roars, luxury never stops. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is set to ignite the performance car world, marking a highly anticipated return after a brief hiatus and aiming to be the most potent and technologically advanced GT500 to date. Built on the 7th generation S650 Mustang platform, this iteration is expected to debut in late 2025 as a 2026 model, promising to push the boundaries of American muscle into true supercar territory while retaining its iconic pony car spirit. Ford's decision to bring back the GT500 underlines its commitment to high-performance internal combustion engines, even as the industry pivots towards electrification, ensuring the raw, visceral experience that only a Shelby can deliver remains a cornerstone of the Mustang lineup. The development of this new GT500 has been shrouded in secrecy, yet extensive testing of heavily camouflaged prototypes on public roads around Ford's Dearborn, Michigan headquarters, and even on renowned test tracks, have provided tantalizing glimpses into what promises to be a legendary machine. The anticipation amongst enthusiasts and critics is reaching a fever pitch, eager to witness how Ford has once again managed to elevate an already celebrated lineage, creating a vehicle poised to directly challenge high-end sports cars and established supercars from Europe with its unique blend of power, precision, and American audacity. This model is expected to slot neatly between the already formidable Mustang Dark Horse and the ultra-exclusive, track-focused Mustang GTD, offering a level of elite capability that is slightly more attainable. From a design perspective, the 2026 Shelby GT500 is anticipated to feature an even more aggressive and aerodynamically optimized exterior, building upon the already assertive styling of the current S650 Mustang and making it instantly recognizable as the top-tier performance variant. Spy shots and speculative renderings consistently hint at a reworked front fascia with a more pronounced, deeper splitter and massive functional air intakes, crucial for feeding cool, dense air to the supercharged engine and for enhanced brake cooling to withstand extreme track punishment. These intakes may incorporate sophisticated active flaps that adjust based on speed and cooling demands, a testament to Ford Performance's relentless pursuit of aerodynamic perfection and thermal management, ensuring optimal engine and component temperatures even during prolonged high-load conditions. A formidable bulging hood, potentially featuring a prominent double scoop or integrated heat extractors and vents, will not only contribute to its menacing presence, but also efficiently facilitate the expulsion of hot air from the powerhouse beneath, further enhancing cooling capacity. The vehicle is expected to sport significantly wider fenders and dramatically flared wheel arches to accommodate larger, stickier tires, with test mules frequently spotted running staggered Pirelli P0R tires, likely 305 30ZR20 up front, and a colossal 315 30ZR20 or even 325 30ZR20 at the rear, for maximum mechanical grip and improved cornering stability. The side profile will likely feature more aggressive, sculpted side skirts that improve airflow along the vehicle's flanks and contribute to downforce, subtly sculpted body lines that emphasize its athletic stance, and perhaps even lightweight carbon fiber components such as mirror caps, fender vents, and side sills to reduce unsprung weight and lower the center of gravity, enhancing agility. The rear will undergo significant revisions, including a redesigned bumper with a more aggressive and functional diffuser that channels airflow for increased stability, a larger, often bolt-on, active rear spoiler for increased downforce at high speeds, which will dynamically adjust its angle to optimize grip or reduce drag depending on driving mode and speed, and oversized quad exhaust outlets that promise an even more thunderous, bone-rattling, and intoxicating soundtrack, designed to elicit chills with every blip of the throttle. The lighting elements, both front and rear, will receive updated LED signatures, contributing to a more modern and distinctive appearance, especially the iconic tri-bar taillights, which will likely be modernized and given a unique GT500 flair. Every exterior modification on the 2026 GT500 is expected to be meticulously driven by functional necessity, aiming to improve cooling, downforce, and overall track capability, making it instantly recognizable as the apex predator of the Mustang family, a true blend of raw American muscle and sophisticated aerodynamic engineering honed on the racetrack. The interior of the 2026 Shelby GT500 will strike a masterful balance between track-focused functionality and cutting-edge technological integration, offering a driver-centric cockpit designed for ultimate control, engagement, and a touch of modern luxury. While the S650 Mustang already features a largely digital environment, the GT500 will elevate this with unique Shelby-specific touches and enhanced performance-oriented displays, ensuring the driver has all critical information at a glance. Drivers will be greeted by a large, fully customizable 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster that offers unique display menus and graphics tailored to the GT500, prioritizing crucial performance data like boost pressure, oil and coolant temperatures, lap times, G-forces, and tire pressures, all presented with crisp clarity and dynamic animations. This digital cluster will be seamlessly integrated with a massive 13.2-inch central infotainment touchscreen, angled ergonomically towards the driver for optimal visibility and intuitive access. This screen will run the latest version of Ford's Sync software, likely Sync 4 or a GT500 specific variant, offering lightning-fast responsiveness and advanced features. It will include seamless integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium sound system from Bang & Olufsen tuned for optimal acoustics within the performance cabin, and advanced connectivity features including built-in navigation with live traffic updates, over-the-air update capabilities for future software enhancements, and potentially track-specific apps for detailed data logging and performance analysis. Material quality remains paramount and is evident in every surface, with specific Turbo S models often featuring exquisite two-tone leather interiors with contrasting stitching, available in a range of sophisticated color combinations, sometimes accented with contrasting stripes or Shelby badging. The cabin is further elevated by the abundant use of genuine carbon fiber accents on the dashboard, door panels, and center console, reinforcing the performance pedigree, while unique alloy pedals provide enhanced grip for spirited driving. Deeply bolstered Recaro sport seats are expected to be standard or a highly recommended option, offering exceptional lateral support and comfort during aggressive driving sessions, potentially trimmed in unique premium leather and Alcantara combinations with contrasting stitching and prominent Shelby Cobra badging embroidered on the headrests. The steering wheel will be a more aggressive, flat-bottom design, likely wrapped entirely in Alcantara for optimal grip, and will feature specific controls for driving modes, performance settings, and oversized paddle shifters for lightning-fast gear changes. Despite its intense track focus, the GT500 will still offer a surprising level of comfort and convenience suitable for daily driving, with an emphasis on essential controls and a minimalist approach to superfluous buttons, allowing the driver to focus on the exhilarating experience at hand. Cabin acoustics are also expected to be meticulously tuned, allowing for a refined experience at cruising speeds, while still letting the intoxicating supercharged V8 roar fill the cabin when the active exhaust is fully open. At its core, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is all about unadulterated, monumental power, engineered to deliver a visceral and unforgettable driving experience that few other vehicles can match. Rumors, including highly credible leaked UAW documents, strongly suggest the return of a highly evolved version of Ford's revered supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, internally referred to as the Legend engine. This power plant, a direct derivative of the Predator engine from the previous GT500 and the mighty F-150 Raptor R, is expected to receive significant enhancements, potentially including a revised, larger displacement supercharger, strengthened internals such as forged crankshaft, connecting rods, and pistons, and improved cylinder heads and valve train components to handle even higher power outputs and sustained extreme RPMs. While official figures are yet to be confirmed by Ford, Extensive speculation and industry whispers point to an output ranging from 760 horsepower, matching or exceeding the previous model's output, to well over 800 horsepower, with some ambitious predictions even hinting at numbers nearing 1,000 horsepower to directly challenge upcoming rivals like the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 and other high-end performance machines from around the globe. It is a resounding declaration of dominance, a benchmark in performance, and a celebration of American muscle that promises to resonate for generations. Subscribe, stay in the absolute fastest lane. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us for the latest updates, exclusive insights, and breaking automotive news. Join our community and feel the roar of the next generation.